And let's start with Ducati. Because yes, the numbers look good. They look really great. But what stood out, being live at the track was how unbothered they looked. I saw no frantic changes, no panicked energy. Gigi Dall'Igna was calm, and he's produced a bike for 2026 that is really special. For me, they're all running the GP24 engine. Now let's look at it from the King, Marc Marquez's angle, riding well within himself, building into the work and not really forcing a lap time. He looked to me like he was laying a foundation for the bike for this season and to improve and gradually get his fitness back to where it needs to be.